high-end or luxury vehicles being tokenized on chain. And that's actually a pretty appreciable amount of value, $620 billion globally for high-end vehicles. So this is like Koenigsegg, Bugatti, Aston Martin, Ferrari, Lamborghini. There's all these high-end vehicle brands and cars, and I came to find out that they actually have a really good repository of data on all the vehicles that they issue, because there's a limited amount and you have to go to their dealer or an approved mechanic to get any work done. So they have full systems already on their back end. They could be integrated on blockchain pretty easily if they wanted to do this. And that's why I think you're going to see the adoption of luxury cars and high-end vehicles first, before you see the adoption of the rest of the marketplace. And currently the most value that's being traded is in high-end luxury cars, Rolls-Royce, and some of the others that I mentioned. It's about $1 to $2 billion a day transacted in vehicles. It's just a fairly liquid market that already has constraints around it that would be conducive and make it a little bit easier to move on chain. Doesn't have the same frictions as real estate. So what's been tokenized up to this point? Not that much. Again, just 0.08% of that total, around $500 million worth of vehicles has been tokenized. But the people that are currently to market with this, you've got Curio Invest, and they've built this on the Scale Network. You've got CoinEarth, which is interesting, and they built it on a private version of Hyperledger. The only one that I didn't mention here that I think has some traction because of some legislation in California is Tezos. I don't know who it's going to be or if it's just spread across these, but Tezos, any EVM network, and then also Hyperledger, I think all have a pretty good chance of ending up dominating the tokenization of luxury vehicles.